Hello there friends, so we're going to make hemp milk with raw hemp seeds. So we're going to start off by soaking them to make them soft and easy to blend. So to a baking dish we're going to crack a banana open, and that's going to be our sweetener for this baked oats. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and about half a cup of mixed berries, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries. Then about 1.5 cups of oats, and we're going to give that a nice stir through. Now we're going to go ahead and blend up our hemp milk. So you just pour in your hemp water and hemp seeds and then add about half a cup of water, and you're going to give that a blend. It might take about 30 seconds or more, but it should be completely milky and smooth and creamy. You can also add this on your cereals. So what you can do is you can blend it up with a bit of honey and a little bit of salt and vanilla, and that will make it into a very similar milk you would buy at the grocery store to put on your cereals or in your coffee. So add the milk into your oats and then mix it together. For the toppings, we're going to add an apple, sliced up into small little pieces. I love making my food look pretty as well as taste delicious because it's all about that whole experience of eating. It's not just this flavour, but it's the way it looks, you know. Into the oven she will go at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let me know how it goes if you guys make this recipe, and yeah, leave it in the comments below so we can connect and share with one another. Thanks so much guys, see you on the next one.